This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Raul Herrero. Award-winning dry cleaner, laundry and wash and fold facility operating at an elite level in South Florida, Opportunity Zone, with building housing the business and tradename.Not. A franchise facility is fully equipped with state-of-the-art technology and equip. Imported from the world's leading manufacturers in Europe plus and other assets. Central gas piped in. Plant capacity 10 tonper daywith 100% utilization.Cleaning agents used are 100% hypoallergenic. Operating in Palm Beach, Broward and Miami-Dade counties since 2016. Pickups and deliveries to some 1,200 repeat customers in Broward, Palm Beach and Miami-Dade counties. Co-broker commissions for real estate and for business opportunity described in detail by separate agreement. Please contact listing agent. For more information, review the details below or contact Raul Herrero at 786-581-1400.